Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy named E1ULife. If you're here watching this video and you want to learn more about how to get started with affiliate marketing, then keep watching all the way to the end because I want to show you a good strategy, a good program that you can join in this educational platform that you can also make money on each and every day. Now, if you would like to get paid between $25 to $2,000 per day, daily, then keep watching because I want you guys to understand that this program is working and it's been phenomenal. And the reason why I'm looking for people that are looking to make money online for the very first time, and I know you guys are tired of hopping from program to program that didn't work, and gurus promise you that you will make money, but all that is just a fake and a scam. Now, the reason why you click on this video is because you want to learn more about how to get started with affiliate marketing and how you can scale up between making $25 to $2,000 per day just by referring other people to this program. Now, I'm going to show you this program in just a moment. Now, for those who are new, my name is E1ULife. I've been doing affiliate marketing for about 3 years now. And it completely changed my life. And the reason why I make video is because I like to teach you guys on learning how to make money online with affiliate marketing and learn how to scale your business from making zero to making $10,000 per month. Now, if you are somebody that is tired of struggling and tired of seeing other gurus, failing you guys, then this is the right video for you because I'm going to show you a good website, a good program that will allow you to generate $25 to $2,000 per day. All right. So without that being said, guys, do me a favor before we get started. Like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe, and make sure you turn the notification bells on as well because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing whatsoever without having no experience at all. All right. So without that being said, guys, let's just head over right now. All right, so it's a website called E1ULife, which stands for Easy One Up Life. Now, the CEO founder of this amazing opportunity, it was named Peter Wolfen, but I guess somebody else owned it now. So basically, I don't know his name, but he is the CEO founder of this program. He put this amazing system together, and it's a online digital education platform for you and me that we can go ahead and get access to the training that teach you step by step on learning how to get people how to enroll people into this program, so you can start able to make a little money on the side. Okay, so the reason why you're watching this YouTube video is because you want to learn more about how to get started with this amazing opportunity, and this amazing opportunity would definitely put money in your pocket each and every day. Okay, I'm not going to say that you will make money on the same day, but that's if you are willing to put in the work and time, effort for the time being. So basically, what I'm saying, guys, ladies and gentlemen, this program would definitely help you, change your life, and we would definitely thank you later saying, hey, this program does work. And you can also enroll other people as well if they are willing to take action and they be willing to be serious about making money. Because basically what you want, whatever package you come in, you would definitely take advantage of this program and that level package, because we have 6 different levels that you can choose from. You can upgrade at any time as you like. Okay, so let's just get started right now. So before you get started, what I want you guys to do, I want you guys to watch this short minute video that's going to explain about how E1ULife, Easy One Up, stands for and how does it work. Okay, and then guess what? You get access to these trainings, to these membership packages. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So the first one is going to be the Elevation Basic, which is you get 1 custom opt-in page. You get 49 training videos for $30, okay? And then you get the Elevation Elite, which is the $110. You get custom social media pack of 27 training videos, and then you get the Vertex, which is the $275. You're gonna get paid $250, and then you're gonna pay the $75. Okay? Or you're gonna pay, well, actually, yeah. So basically, you're going to pay the member $250, and then you're gonna pay the extra $25. Okay? So that makes total together. That makes it $275 that you will come in. Okay? You will also make that money back. So let's go to Vertex Elite, which you get the Elevation Basic, the Elevation Elite. You get the Vertex, which is a custom logo. You get 36 training videos at $550. Then you get Vertex Pro Connect, which is the Elevation Basic, the Elevation Elite, the Vertex, and the Vertex Elite custom. You get one custom multi-page funnel, 37 training videos for about $1,100 total cost. So you'll pay the member $1,000, and then you'll pay the one-time admin is $100. But you will definitely make that back. It all depends on how many people that you bring, how many people that you enroll into your group. Okay? How many people that you get signed up under you. Okay? And I'm going to tell you something right after I explain everything about this program. Vertex Live, which is $2,000. You get the Elevation Basic, you get the Elevation Elite, the Vertex Elite, Vertex Elite, and the Vertex Pro Connect. You get one custom website and 22 training videos for over $2,500. So you will pay the member $2,000, and then you will pay the one-time admin fee towards the company. You will pay the CEO $500, and that gets your way into the program. Okay. So basically, guys, if you want to do it like this, so let's say you want to upgrade to Elevation, right? Say you want to come in at the Elevation Elite, which is $100. So let's say you unlock the $25 because you came in at the Elevation for $110. Okay. So basically, you will unlock one product. Okay. So that means you're going to get paid on both of these products. So you're going to be making $125 each and every day. Okay? So let's say, for example, you come at the highest level, which is the Vertex Live, and it's $2,000. Say you want to go for the highest level instead of going to the lowest level. Okay? So let's say you want to come at the highest level, which is $2,000. Say you unlock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whatever member that wants to come in, you're going to receive, whether it can be $25 or $100 or $250 or $500 or $1,100 or $1,000. That's how much you're going to be making. Okay? And plus, not only that, you're going to be making $2,000 per day as well. Okay? And also, guys, this program does work, and it does work for me. So this is why I haven't been promoting this program in a long time, but they had a little update, so everything's been changed ever since I got back on here. Okay? So this program does work. This program does work, and it's going to tell you how everything works. Okay? So if you want to learn more about that, you're more than welcome to go to how does everything works. How does E1ULife work? It says use E1ULife to get your online presence or business a jump start, or it's just simply improve it. And then let's face it, we can all stand to make some improvements in our workflow, even our day-to-day life. These templates were especially designed to give you that extra boost you need to stay competitive. Okay? So guys, this program does work, and it'll definitely work for you. Okay? So I'm going to log into my back office, and I'm going to show you guys what the back office looks like. Okay? So So my back office look like, you can see it's 0 right now, but as you can see, guys, what you'll get 3. You'll get opt-in page, you'll get a video sales page, and you'll get no video sales page. But if you want to get an opt-in page, you can also copy the link, and then you can also copy it. If I do it, for instance, right, and we open up a new tab, and then we just paste it in there, okay, you will see right here, this is going to be your capture page, okay, one opt-in capture page where you see that you can have the person put their name, their first and last name, and their email, good email, and a good telephone number so you can reach them or text them however you want. But I prefer you guys to email them instead of calling them, because so many people don't like to be called. So I think it's more better for you as a professional, especially as a beginner. I think it's more be better for you to email them so they can email you back, okay? So that way you can stay in contact with them, okay? So if anything, like if they're missing something, if you're missing something and they didn't pay, then you can also follow up with them, okay? So I'm gonna exit out of there. So basically, guys, you get the video sales letter. So if I copy this, we open up in a new tab. This is a video sales letter. So basically, this will get them started, okay? And it will show them the levels that they can come in at. And and on top of that too, guys, these are the basic trainings that's going to teach you all about how to manage your account and how to get more people, how to get more signups, so you can start making some good money, okay? So basically, guys, this program does definitely work, and this will definitely work for you. This will definitely make a change for you, so you can get out the struggle, so you don't have to worry about hopping the program that gurus promise you that you will make money, but they failed you and they didn't want to move on with you. So they just failed you and give you all these BS lies and stuff like that. But see, with me, if you join under me, I wouldn't give you no BS lies. I would tell you straight up that this program would definitely works for you, okay? So guys, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to join this program, click the link in the description down below. My #1 recommendation to affiliate marketing is go ahead and click the link down below to this amazing opportunity, because this amazing opportunity did change my life before, and it will do the same thing for you as well, okay? So this is a new program, a new update program that will allow you to generate up to $2,000, okay, per day. So if you want to get up to the highest level, then go ahead and click that link down below, so that way you can be redirected so you can make some good money, okay? So we're gonna close this out. So what you get when you come in as a member, guys, you create your free account, but once you get in here, okay, you have your dashboard, my packages, new users start here, my account, marketing hub, my products, my referrals, and my referrals for each package, and then support, okay? So that's about it. So guys, when you get that, and guess what? When you go to my account, right, you get my payment options, okay? You get my wallet. So here's the thing, guys. I want to explain something. And on top of that, guys, before I explain that, you will get access to the 30-day blueprint that will teach you all about how to market your business, okay? How to market your business. So if I was you, I will watch these 30 days blueprint that would teach you all about how to market your affiliate links and how to bring people into this program, okay? So most of you guys who probably are struggling right now is looking for a financial way to make money online, and you're tired of struggling, then this is the right program for you, because this program would definitely help you out mainly, and you can also bring in a lot of signups and turn them into members, one-time members, and then the system is theirs and the system is yours as well, okay? This is a one-time payment, guys. One-time payment. There's no monthly fees after you pay your first time when you roll in, when you sign up to this amazing program. So I wanted to tell you guys that So when you come in, there's two payments that you will get accepted: Stripe and Bitcoin. Okay. So if you have Bitcoin, I do accept Bitcoin, but mostly I accept credit cards as well. So if you have a credit card and you want to pay, then go ahead and I accept Stripe account. So I have a Stripe account, so I do accept that as well. Okay. So if you having problems not accepting the payments, or you having problems of not paying, or the payment didn't go through, I will leave my email in the description, so that way you can email me, so that way you can let me know what's going on and I can fix that for you. I can, probably walk you through and how to pay, okay? And that's it. All right. So without that being said, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching this video, for allowing me to explain about this program, and I didn't want to keep you up too long. So this is why I encourage you guys to join this amazing opportunity, because E1ULife is a brand new system that will allow you to generate $2,000 per day, and all you have to do is willing to put in the effort of your time. Okay, so if you do that, guys, then you will get somewhere and you will thank me later. All right. So take my advice. If you want to join this amazing opportunity, and let me say it again for the last time, the link will be in the description down below, so that way you can get full access to this amazing opportunity. Alright? So without that being said, guys, my name is E1ULife, and I want to thank you guys for allowing me to do this introduction video and showing you guys about the new system update, so you guys can be able to join. Alright? So without that being said, guys, thank you and have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys later, and hopefully, and welcome to E1ULife, guys, and I hope to see you on my team. Alright, y'all. Peace out.